Navigating unemployment. I am unemployed. Where do I begin? What is unemployment compensation? If you find yourself unemployed, you may be unsure of what to do and where to begin. If you're unemployed or working reduced hours through no fault of your own, you may be eligible for unemployment compensation. To qualify for this weekly benefit, certain conditions must be met. For example, you must be able to work, be available for all shifts in your normal occupation, and be looking for full-time work each week you file for benefits. The Unemployment Compensation Trust Fund. So where does unemployment compensation come from? The program is funded by employer taxes, paid on the first $8,000 of their workers' gross earnings during a tax year. Employees do not pay any unemployment compensation taxes on wages earned, called insured wages. There are several different categories of covered and insured employment, which is work performed for an employer who is subject to the Alabama Unemployment Compensation Law. For instance, you may file a claim based on your separation or release from active military duty. You'll need to provide your DD-214 Member 4 copy before your eligibility can be determined. As a spouse of an active duty member of the military, you may be eligible for unemployment benefits if you leave your job due to the mandatory relocation of you and your military spouse. You may also file a claim based on separation from federal civilian employment. Here, you'll need to provide Form SF-8, SF-50, or earnings leave statements as proof of employment. School employees with reasonable assurance of reemployment the next school year are generally denied benefits between academic terms and during regularly scheduled breaks. This includes substitutes. To be eligible for unemployment benefits, you must have insured wages in at least 2 quarters of your base period. The following definitions will help you understand which wages are used on your claim and provide general information about how weekly and maximum benefit amounts are determined. The 4 calendar quarters of the year are as follows. The first quarter is January, February, and March. The second quarter is April, May, and June. The third quarter is July, August, and September. The fourth quarter is October, November, and December. Calendar quarters begin with the first Sunday in the new quarter. The base period is the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters before the week you call to file an initial claim application for a new benefit year. Wages paid to you during your base period are used to determine if you have enough wages to qualify for a claim and to calculate how much you can be paid in benefits. Your high quarter is the base period quarter during which you were paid the highest amount of wages from covered employment. Your total base period wages must equal or exceed 1.5 times your high quarter earnings to be eligible for unemployment benefits. To file by internet, go to www.labor.alabama.gov. Click on Unemployment. Then follow the prompts to create your own claimant portal, where you can establish a new unemployment claim or reopen an existing claim. To file by phone, call the toll-free number 866-234-5382, where you can complete the filing of your unemployment claim. Please make sure to have your most recent employer's information, normally found on your last pay stub, W-2s, or banking information if you receive direct deposit from your employer. When you file, your claim is good for a full 52-week period, during which you can claim benefits beginning with the week you file your initial claim. Your benefit year will expire 1 year from the date of your initial claim. You will be mailed a notice explaining if you are monetarily eligible and what your weekly benefit will be. It is against the law for the recipient of federal financial assistance to discriminate on the following basis: against any individual in the United States on the basis of race, color, religion, sex includes pregnancy, childbirth, and related medical conditions, sex stereotyping, transgender status, and gender identity. National origin includes limited English proficiency, age, disability, political affiliation, or belief. Against any beneficiary of, applicant to, or participant in programs financially assisted under Title I of the Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, or WIOA, on the basis of the individual's citizenship status or participation in any WIOA Title I financially assisted program or activity. For more information regarding the Equal Opportunity Law, please review the Equal Opportunity section in the Alabama Compensation Benefits Rights and Responsibilities Handbook, available online at www.labor.alabama.gov.